Let's begin by covering the fundamentals so that you can swiftly become skilled in no time. This tutorial will introduce you to Trello and its primary functions within a to-do, doing, and done workflow. First and foremost, the Trello board is your starting point. While it begins as a simple structure, it gains significant power as you introduce lists and cards. The board provides an overview of your entire project, giving you a visual representation of your lists, cards, and project contributors. To add a list, simply click on the list area, and each list functions as a column for holding cards. These list names can be personalized, and each list contains cards that represent individual tasks in your workflow. To create a card, click on the list where you want to add it. A card is where you document crucial task information. Each card can be customized, updated, and moved across lists until it reaches completion. Let's explore this board as an example, a classic structure of to-do, doing, and done. In your to-do list, you can create separate cards for each task you need to address. As you make progress on a task, you can move it along the lists to reflect its current status. For instance, if you've started working on a report, you can drag the card to the doing list. Once the report is finished, you can move it to the done list. This straightforward workflow enables you to efficiently manage your to-do list. Sometimes you'll require more details for a task, especially when collaborating with others. This is where the card back comes into play, showcasing the advanced features of Trello. By clicking on a card, you'll access various options for adding context and details. You can write short or comprehensive descriptions, assign the task to specific team members, set due dates and times, apply colored labels for better categorization, create detailed checklists of action items, and even leave comments with updates and feedback. This collaborative functionality ensures your team is always aligned. The front side of each card provides a snapshot of the task's critical details, such as attachments, involved team members, and checklist progress. Trello is remarkably flexible and can be customized to adapt to evolving processes and priorities. Rearranging, adding, or removing lists is as easy as pie, allowing your workflow to perfectly fit your needs. Your Trello board looks fantastic. Give yourself a virtual high five. However, with numerous tasks ahead, you'll likely need assistance. Now that you've mastered the basics, it's time to invite your teammates to the impressive board you've crafted. Head to the Invite option, select the individuals you wish to share your board with, and encourage them with a personal message. Your tasks, team, and workflow are seamlessly integrated in one place. Regardless of the project, Trello simplifies collaboration and boosts your collective productivity.